University of New Mexico pegmatite mine.
Pegmatite is an igneous rock often comprised of feldspar.
Pegmatites are mined for lithium
And can include minerals like spodumene and lepidolite.
Usually we come to this mine to collect lepidolite, but today we decide to come for feldspar and some lepidolite.
Walking up to the mine, it's so crisp and clear up here in the mountains. This piece definitely has the feldspar appearance. It's got a face. You could see that it broke along the line, and it's got a schiller. So it's definitely a feldspar. Probably has some lepidolite in it. Beautiful.
Here is another piece of feldspar. This one is a little pinker than this one.
This one also has characteristics of granite or red jasper.
And look at this one again. Do you see the heart?
Do. How beautiful is this?